Hey, third graders, Miss Whitford here. I'm actually coming to you from my kitchen right now because I am going to show you how to make your fraction ice cream. And ice cream is usually found in the kitchen. And I like ice cream. Mr. Whitford likes ice cream. You know who else likes ice cream? Even the animals. They even like ice cream. There's the animals right there. Can you see them? Oh, look how cute they are. And there's Mr. Whitford also liking ice cream. Okay, so not going to make you watch me cut out all the things, but first thing that you need to do is figure out how many total scoops of ice cream you want to use to make your fraction sundae. So when you have your total scoops, all you have to do is write how many scoops. Maybe you want I would say, you could do however many you want, to be honest with you, but remember you have to cut each scoop out. So I'm going to do 4. I'm going to say I'm going to have 4 scoops. I feel like that's going to be plenty for me to have scoops of ice cream. So then I'm going to cut out 4 scoops. I'll have more colors tomorrow. This is the only color I happen to have at home. So I'm going to pause this. When you see me, I will have my scoops of ice cream cut out. Okay, I am back. I have my ice cream scoops cut out. And now I need to figure out what fraction of my ice cream is going to be each of these things. Now, I also included an empty space in case there were some on here that I didn't write. Like for this one, cotton candy ice cream. Like whatever, if you want different ice creams than that, that's totally fine. Okay, so starting off, I have 4 total scoops of ice cream. I got this one, vanilla. So I only have 1 scoop of vanilla. So that means 1 is going to go in the numerator. And since I have 4 total scoops, 4 is going to go in the denominator. All right, chocolate. 1 scoop of chocolate. 1 scoop of chocolate. 1 out of 4 total pieces. So 1/4 of my ice cream sundae is chocolate. Cookies and cream. I didn't have any that were cookies and cream. So that is actually going to be 0/4 that are cookies and cream. Same with mint chocolate chip. I didn't have any mint chocolate chip. 0/4 for mint chocolate chip. And that's Mr. Whitford's favorite ice cream flavor. Just kidding. He doesn't like mint chocolate chip. And strawberry, I have 1 scoop. That is strawberry. So 1/4. And then since since there were some other scoops, I am going to add in cotton candy. And then one of my scoops is cotton candy. Now, if I had 2 scoops of strawberry ice cream, then if I had 2 of these, my 2 scoops of strawberry ice cream, guess what's going to go in the numerator for strawberry? Yeah, you guessed it, 2, because 2 out of 4 scoops would be strawberry ice cream. But for my example, I only had 1 that's strawberry ice cream. Okay, so then we can talk toppings. So think about what fraction of your whole sundae is covered in toppings, okay? So if you have your whole sundae, that's going to be 4 scoops of ice cream, right? You have 4 scoops of ice cream, okay? So if you want to think about, if I want to put rainbow sprinkles on only 2 of the ice cream flavors, let's say I want to put rainbow sprinkles, and you can also color in or you can glue on your rainbow sprinkles. Maybe I want to put rainbow sprinkles on vanilla and strawberry. I think that would be amazing. So that means I would have rainbow sprinkles on 2 out of 4 of my ice cream scoops. Chocolate sprinkles, maybe I just want chocolate sprinkles on 1. Okay, so I'm going to have 1 out of 4 chocolate sprinkles. What if I want chocolate chips? But you know what? I'm going to add also 1 out of 4 chocolate chips. Okay, so when you're thinking about this, think about what total you're going to have for your toppings. And then lastly, how much of your sundae are you going to plan on eating in just one day? Okay, if you want to eat your whole sundae, guess what? That is going to be 4 out of 4 scoops. But if I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to be able to, that's a lot of scoops. I don't want to eat all of that ice cream. Maybe I want to eat 2 out of 4 scoops of ice cream. And maybe I want to eat 1 out of 2 pieces of the cone. Maybe if I kind of break it in half, I would have 2 pieces of the cone. Maybe that's what I want to do. Then that means how much would I be able to share with someone of your choice? So maybe I want to share mine with Mr. Whitford because I'm being nice. Or maybe I want to share with the animals. So then if I'm eating 2 scoops of my ice cream, how much would I have left to share with Mr. Whitford? Yep, you guessed it. 2/4 ice cream. And that means he would get 1/2 of the cone. All right. So as you are coming up with your ice cream, once you finish that, decorate it however you like. Glue it on, tape it on, and if your ice cream cone is looking really yummy and tasty, maybe later on we can have a fraction party and maybe you will be able to see your ice cream cone come to life. That would just be way in the future though. So anyway, have fun making your fraction ice creams and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.